Let's take a closer look and follow John's life as he embarks on a remarkable journey to success. John was a fresh graduate with no clue how to navigate the real world. He had no idea how to manage money or make decisions. Every day felt like a maze with no exit in sight. But this confusing phase was just the beginning of an incredible journey that would change his life forever. One stormy night, while lost in YouTube videos, John stumbled upon a motivational clip about leveraging AI for success. Something clicked and a spark ignited. Hope surged within him. Driven by curiosity, John started learning HTML and CSS. It was tough with many frustrations, but each line of code brought him closer to understanding a new world. Months went by, and John began designing small websites. Each project improved his skills and confidence. Seeing his work come to life was incredibly rewarding. Seeking bigger challenges, John taught himself JavaScript, creating dynamic sites. His client list grew, spreading his reputation. The breakthrough came when John developed his first app. It was simple, but gained rapid popularity, showing him the potential of AI-driven app development. He integrated AI into his apps, making them smarter and more user-friendly. This edge attracted even more clients. With rising income, John needed to manage his finances wisely. Remembering the motivational video, he turned to AI for help. AI tools helped John track expenses, automate savings, and make informed investment decisions, leading to real financial growth. His success wasn't just about earning money, it was about making smart investments. AI guided him in diversifying his portfolio. The road wasn't always smooth, but John's perseverance paid off. He purchased his first property, a milestone he once thought impossible. John stayed ahead, always learning and adapting, leading to several successful startups. Through AI's guidance, John managed his wealth and reinvested in his community, creating jobs and mentoring others. Years of hard work and smart decisions culminated in financial independence. John's journey was a testament to AI's power, determination, and never giving up. In the end, John's story wasn't just about wealth. It was about transforming his life and those around him, thanks to a single fateful video and the relentless pursuit of his dreams.